Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Blue FX, and I'm here to show you guys how to trade effectively on the Boom 1000. Although we are already on the VIX 100 too, but we are going to concentrate on the Boom 1000. But before we go to the Boom 1000, let's quickly check out the VIX 100 and show you guys what I'm actually talking about. So here's the VIX 100, which I went in for a sell because on the higher time frame, you've seen that I had my support, my resistance, and everything drawn, and we actually can see here that it's been a downtrend all the way here. And if you go to the lower time frame, you see that this trend line I drew here is very effective as well. Let me show you that on the 1 hour time frame. I can't turn my phone to a landscape mode, but now you can see what I'm actually talking about. So I expect price to drop to this level, if it doesn't get down here, because there's a support here, but I expect price to drop to this level before buying back, which at this point, if you're entering a trade like this, you should be looking for selling positions, because you're seeing here on the higher time frame it's a downtrend already. So once I saw this happening here, when I saw this happening somewhere around here, the market got to this level, got down here, retested, and started rejecting. That's when I got into the trade. And also I told the VIPs to wait, though I've not given them the signal yet, but the Boom 1000 was given to them and they've been making massive profits from it. So you see that the market is actually going to come down, and if I was to take I'm a scalper, so if I'm to take my profit, I'm just going to take the profit from here. Of course, that's enough profit for the market. Then wait to see what else is going to happen. But you won't be surprised if the market to sell down to this region, because this is where market rejects from on the trend line. I've seen it's dropping and it will keep dropping. So that was just that for the VIX 100. Now let's get to the Boom 1000. The Boom 1000 is currently buying. Of course, this trade was given as of yesterday, but I've been holding on to the trade. But this trade, I gave it to them yesterday. Of course, it's a good time to catch spikes, because in the 15 minutes, you can see here that it's an uptrend. You can see there is an uptrend, but it won't be a good time to just get into the market. You've seen that it has broken this trend line, which I just drew. So we should actually be looking out for either a retest before selling again, or we look out for the next candlestick if it's going to reject and go back up. That's why if you're trading with price action, you have to be sure to use the higher time frame to confirm how the market has been. You've seen here that it's been ranging for like days now. The market has been ranging around this region. Of course, let me show you that. I made a video of that and I shared it to the VIP. The market has been ranging. Okay, you can see it here. This is the 30 minutes time frame. The market has been ranging and it's still ranging even up till now. Okay, let's go to the higher time frame. Here's the daily. So you see that the market has been ranging around that region, and here is the 4-hour time frame. So I'm just trying to replay it to the 4-hour. Okay, here's the 4-hour time frame. You've seen that it's still doing the same thing as it has been doing that I've shown you here. It's still doing the same thing. It's just ranging and ranging. So it's going to keep ranging, going up here and coming down until it's decisive on what it wants to do. So at this point here, this is a major zone, which is our resistance, and here is a major zone too, which is our support. So market has not been able to break this support, and it hasn't been able to break this resistance as well. So that's why we're going to be trading within this range. Although the distance from here down here, if you go to the 30 minutes time frame, it's a lot. You can actually make a whole lot from it. So now I'm seeing that it's broken. It's trying to break this trend line. Seeing that it's trying to break this trend line, you just have to be patient to see what the next candlestick is going to do. But if less for me, I'm going to keep selling. As I said, I'm still holding on to the trade. Meanwhile, we've been able to hit our TP earlier on the Boom 1000, this same trade, but I had other positions running, so they are still running, because I want to make this video for you guys to see that this is how it works. Trading with price action is the best, and it works on all pairs. You can use it to trade the currency, stocks, any pair, any asset, anyone that you want to trade. even the VIX 100, even volatile markets. You can use it on the VIX 75 and all of that. So using indicators is not really effective. Of course, it works, but it's not actually advisable to use just indicators. So if you're trading and you have a strategy that is called price action, it's going to help you to make it that gives you the accurate entry and exit from the market. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to this channel, like the video, share it to your friends. The link to the Telegram channel is going to be on the description of this video, and also my WhatsApp number is also there in case you want to contact me for mentorship and any other services that we render. So this is going to be a quick video. I don't want to waste your time. So in price action, you can actually trade effectively, and you can see we are still in profit. Of course, you've seen that the VIX 100 too is going in profit, and as well as the Boom 1000. So if you want to learn more, I mean, you can just sit down at the comfort of your house or anywhere in your office and trade at your own convenience without having to wait for someone to come and teach you or someone to come and show you how to do it. Okay, at your convenience. That's why it's better to learn than for you. It's better to learn how to fish than for you to be given fishes. So if you join the mentorship class, you also get the opportunity to join the VIP as well. So please, if this video has been helpful to you, make sure you join the free Telegram channel. Hit me up for any questions. Drop your reviews on this video as well. So here let's go to let's say another pair. Let's go to the crash 300. So now crash 300 has been crashing. Let's see the higher time frame, what is showing as well. So this trend line is actually not is not valid at the moment. So I'm going to draw another trend line here, which still shows us that it's a downtrend, but you still have to wait for the market at least to get to this region here, at least get to the trend line I drew before coming down, because this is a support. You can't just start getting into the market at this support. You can't just get into it at the support. So you just have to wait for it to do what you want it to do. You don't have to rush into the market, you just have to wait. So if this has been helpful, please subscribe to the channel and make sure that you hit me up to join any other services that you want. Okay, so prior to the video I did earlier, I told you guys that I expected price on the I think I was talking about the VIX 100 at that moment. That I was expecting, wow, it's even going below that level. I expected price to get down to this level here, but now we can't actually get into this market right now. Although the market has rejected to this level before coming down, and it's about to break this trend line, but we have to be very, very careful because it might actually want to form a wick. What's a wick? Like this tiny part left from the candlestick. Alright, sorry guys, I'm outside, so I just need to do this video quick. So it might actually want to form a wick, so you won't actually get into this market immediately. You have to wait and be patient to see what the market wants to do. Okay, what the market wants to do. So now let's go to the Boom 1000. Of course, I told you I was still holding this trade because I expect market to, and of course you see this, it has broken this trend line here and retested. You see this bullish candlestick here, it retested and started going down again. Now let me show you something. You've seen the profits we are making. Of course we are in huge profit and we are cashing out, and this is very easy. It's easy. You can trade anything. As I said earlier, you can trade anything on using price action. You can trade anything using price action. So you've seen that it gives us this price action gave us a very sharp entry into this market. See where we entered the trade from? We entered the trade from somewhere here, and you've seen that the market now is headed this direction. Although here is also where we would have, had we got into the trade from here, this would have been RTP1, because here market actually rejected at this point. So it's not actually a bad idea for you to wait. Maybe this might be time for you to just reject a bit before coming down again, if at all it wants to come down. Of course, this trend line has been broken to start with, and let's see on the higher time frame. Now you can see that it's been a downtrend. So you look for selling positions, you look for selling entries on the Boom 1000. Same thing here on the VIX 100 and all other pairs. So you've seen that, as I said earlier, everything is just going as planned. This is a 4-hour. I talked about this axis here, this place here, that if you go on the lower time frame, you're going to see it clearly. So you see, it's actually rejecting already. So market, this might just want to form a week. This might just want to form a week before going back up, because market might be buying back up here before coming down again. We actually don't know, but because of this, you have to be careful. This is the previous 1 hour candle. A new one just opened, and the 15 minutes is up. Let's see what 15 minutes is showing us. 15 minutes is showing us, oh, that it might actually be buying back up, or it might just want to retest this trend line for a bit and start selling again. So the art of price action is the best that you can use to trade with. Is the best you can use to trade with. I'm telling you the truth. Is the best you can trade with. I know other people have their own strategies, but using price action, you can catch spikes. You can scalp effectively. Of course, if you look at our group, you're going to see that we are making massive profits. So make sure you join the Blue Boy team. You won't regret joining the team. Mentorship is going to be very simple. It's very simple. The way I teach price action the best possible way you can understand it. So if you key into this, I promise you that 2023 is going to be a big year for you. You're going to be catching so much profit. You can't, I can't joke with that. So make sure you join the Blue Boy team. Subscribe to my channel, please. You've seen that this video is very educative. It's helped you, and you've grabbed a thing or two. Make sure you join the free Telegram group. The description, as I said earlier, is going to be on the link is going to be on the description of this video. For those of you that want to contact me on WhatsApp, you can also hit me up, because on the description too, you're going to see my WhatsApp number. Hit me up and let's stay in profit together. I'm very happy to be your mentor. If you want to learn from me, of course, it's not that expensive. It's just a token. Of course, this is a lifetime knowledge that you can use to make millions at your convenience, any way you want to be. So don't sleep on these guys. Hit me up, let's make money together, and join the Blue Boy team so that you'll be stuck in profit. Never going broke is the game. See ya.